Darshan. After that, they will be dropped in their respective houses. That is one decision. Second decision, knowingly or unknowingly, and also some negligence, all these things. One DSP who was on the spot, one Mr. Ramana Kumar was suspended, and also Harinath Reddy, Director Goshala, who is in charge of that spot, that premises. We are suspending him. SP Tirupati, JU Gautami, CVSO Sridhar, 3 people who are transferring. And also, third one is this Ekadasi, Vaikuntha Ekadasi, and also 10 days, and also giving tokens in Tirupati. I asked TTD board to review and also involve Agama Panditalu to give correct advice. Is it right or wrong? I have seen only one day, spillover off day, they used to do this Vaikuntha Ekadasi Darshan. Our belief is if we have Darshan on that day, we will go to heaven. That is our belief. So I asked them to review, they will review. And also I want to streamline totally through Aadhaar, online, offline, not only Ekadasi, regular time also, foolproof darshan, how to make it. And also devotees will come, focus on God, sometimes unnecessarily we will disturb, how to make without disturbance proper darshan. That also we are going to do, if necessary, with artificial intelligence also we will use it. This is another thing I asked them to get it done. And the fourth one is judicial inquiry, to go through all these things. And then I wanted to take some more actions. We should not repeat in future any temple, any place in the state. That is one more decision. Finally, TTD board and EO executives has to work together. And also they have to synchronize work with civil administration in Tirupati. Pilgrims are coming to Tirupati. From here they are going to Tirumala. There is a board, there is an executive officer and also all executives. How to work officials, non-officials unitedly for the better services for the pilgrims, not with their personal agenda. Again I am appealing everybody, Balaji is a very powerful God. Anybody will do anything bad for him, he will punish them during this Janma only, not future Janmas. That is the belief I am having. That is what was happened in the past, what is happening today also. These are all the decisions we have taken. Finally, I am appealing all devotees, all people, all media, don't make it politics. Respect spiritualism. Respect sentiments of people. That is what I am appealing. I am not blaming anybody. I am not doing anything here. But at the same time, I am appealing everybody. You want to do politics, you do anywhere, but not this center. If you do politics here, then only Balaji will look after.
Zoo park బాటిల్ కడుతున్నారు సార్. ఇంతకుముందు మీరు అలాంటిదేం లేకుండా చేస్తారని కూడా చెప్పారు సార్. ముంతాజ్ హోటల్ అని 20 ఎకరాలు జూ పక్కన ద్వారా చేస్తున్నారు. కానీ టీటీడీ చేసిన తర్వాత తిరుచానూరు రోడ్లు ఎక్కువ మద్యం షాపులు.
Everything I will review, brother. One meeting I don't want to. Today is a special meeting. అందుకని ఈరోజు మీటింగ్ ఇది. దానిపైన మీరు అన్నట్టు ఏదైనా ప్రజల మనోభావాలు, దేవాలయానికి దేవునికి ముఖ్యమైన సమస్యలు ఉంటే అవన్నీ ఆలోచిస్తాం. మంచిది ఉంటే కంటిన్యూ